So let's talk about how you can use the brand new camera app on the iPhone. So if you have updated to iOS 26, you are probably going to notice that the camera looks a little bit different than the one before. By the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed because I have so many explanation videos about iOS 26, so you don't want to miss those. So yeah, go ahead and do that. But anyways, the main reason is that if you open up the camera app now in iOS 26, it is much cleaner than it was before. The main difference is that we have a single shutter button below and only photo and video option to pick between. Whereas in the previous version, you could swipe through directly through portrait and panorama like video, cinematic, slow motion, and all the stuff. We don't really have that right in here. It is much cleaner because if you, for example, want to switch to a different photo type, you can tap on the photo icon below and you can pick all of the things you might be interested in, right? So you can choose the timer, filter, live photos, and all of the things which you had in the past as well, but now it's just cleaner and hidden away. Or you can also horizontally scroll through the options below and the same options appear. Like you can again just go to the portrait or panorama, but it's just not directly visible. Same thing for videos where you can swipe to the other side and access the slow motion, time lapse, and a cinematic if you have that available. But yeah, you can also see that we have the controls for the video directly right there. You can tap on it and switch it in between right away. So generally the same functionality is in here. It's not like the app just changed what it does, but the controls and the way you access all of the things are slightly different. It might take a little bit of getting used to, but I'm pretty sure that you are going to get used to it very quickly. So if you have any specific questions regarding this, let me know about the comments. Let me know about the questions in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.